when you put in a link on WhatsApp, sometimes they have a preview. But there could be some privacy concern with those previews. If you have concern, I'm going to show you how you can disable all these link previews. But before I continue, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight to my phone and let me show you how you can disable link previews on WhatsApp. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your WhatsApp app. Let me show you how does a link preview look like. Let's go to my own personal contact. Let's just type in, for example, one e-commerce store in Malaysia, which is quite big. It's shopee.com. So you can see now they are actually getting data, to show the picture, to show the link preview. So what it does is that the shop will be able to see our IP address when we were to extract the details from that website. So this is what they mean when it will be safer if you don't have the link preview. It's totally up to you. Okay, so when you click on this, you can see this is how it looks like. Now, how do you disable it? It's very easy. All you have to do is just go back to your main WhatsApp app, go to bottom right, click on it, and then you go to privacy. All right, tap on advanced, and then you can see here, disable link preview. So you can see here to help protect your IP address from being inferred by third-party website. Okay, just click on that. And then now you just go back. Okay, and let's try again now. You see, now it doesn't show the link preview. It doesn't appear at all. So you click on it, it should just show the link. So yeah, this is how you can disable link previews. This is again for safety features. If you like what I share, do give me a like and also subscribe to this channel so that you can get more WhatsApp tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.